Hello, I'm Evan with Woo Ninjas. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about how to build an event booking website. Still taking event registrations over email? There's a better way. In this video, I'll show you how to build a complete event booking website on WordPress. Live calendar, online payments, automatic confirmations, no coding required. Let's build it. What you need before starting. Before we build anything, here's what you need, and most of it is free. First, a domain name and web hosting. You'll need a domain, that's your website address, and a hosting provider that supports WordPress. Most hosts offer a one-click WordPress installer, so getting started is straightforward. Second, WordPress itself. It's completely free, and most hosting providers install it for you with one click. Third, the Woo Ninjas WooCommerce Bookings plugin. This is the core tool that handles everything: your event calendar, booking forms, real-time availability, capacity limits, and payment integration. The link is in the description below. One thing worth mentioning up front, the Woo Ninjas Bookings plugin costs significantly less than most alternatives on the market, and it includes a lifetime license option, so you're not locked into a yearly subscription. Great for beginners who want a professional result without the ongoing cost. Step 1. Set up WordPress. Log into your hosting dashboard and use the one-click WordPress installer. Enter your site name, set your admin credentials, and hit install. Once it's done, go to yourdomain.com/wp-admin and log in. Welcome to your WordPress dashboard. Two quick things to do before we install anything. 1. Go to Settings, then Permalinks, and change the structure to Post Name. This gives you clean URLs like yoursite.com/events instead of the messy default ones. Hit Save. 2. Install a lightweight theme. Go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, and search for Astra. It's free, fast, and works perfectly with what we're setting up. Install and activate it. Done. WordPress is ready. Step 2. Install WooCommerce. Now let's add WooCommerce. Go to Plugins, Add New, and search for WooCommerce. It's the most widely used e-commerce plugin for WordPress, free and trusted by millions of stores worldwide. Install and activate it. WooCommerce will walk you through a short setup wizard. Enter your business country, currency, and industry. You'll see some paid add-ons suggested. Skip those for now. We only need the core plugin. What WooCommerce gives us is the full store foundation: cart, checkout, order management, automated emails, and payment processing. Everything your event bookings will run through. Step 3. Install WooCommerce Bookings. Now the most important step. This is the plugin that turns your WooCommerce store into a real event booking system. Go to wooninjas.com, the link is in the description, and purchase the WooCommerce Bookings add-on. After checkout, download the zip file from your account. Back in your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, then click Upload Plugin at the top. Select the zip file you downloaded and click Install Now. Then hit Activate Plugin. Once it's active, you'll see two new items. One will be inside your WooCommerce menu, Booking Reports, and other will be in the WooCommerce settings named as Booking Settings. This is your Booking Control Center. Now activate your license. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Booking Settings, and click the License tab. Paste in the license key from your purchase confirmation email and click Activate. The plugin is now fully active and ready to configure. Let me show you how to create your first event. Step 4. Create your first event. Go to Products, then Add New. Give your event a name. I'll use Photography Workshop, Beginner's Guide. Scroll down to the Product Data section. This is where you define product as Bookable Product. Scroll down to the Booking Options section. This is where you define everything about your event. In Booking Settings, under Booking Type, you'll see several options: Hotel, Appointment, Rental, and Event. Select Event. Now fill in the event details. Set your event date and time. Next, define your maximum attendee capacity. Once that limit is reached, bookings automatically close, preventing overselling. Then, set the event duration to specify how long the event will run. To do this, click Create New, select the resource type, enter a name, set the price, and then click Save. Once saved, the resource becomes available for selection and can be linked to your event booking. Before moving on, make sure to enable Order Management. This allows the system to automatically handle pending and failed bookings based on the cancellation settings you configure. You should also enable Display Settings, including the option to show the time zone on booking times. Step 5. Pricing and availability. Under Location and Platform Settings, enter your venue address if you're hosting an in-person event. Next, configure your event availability. Start by selecting the days your event can be booked under Available Days. Then, set the available time range to define when bookings are allowed during those days. If there are specific dates when the event won't be available, use blackout dates. This field is optional, but it's useful for holidays, maintenance periods, or any dates you want to exclude from bookings. Once availability is set, switch to the Pricing tab. Enter your regular price, which will be the standard booking cost for attendees. If you're running a promotion or limited time offer, you can also add a sale price. This field is optional and will automatically override the regular price while active. With pricing and availability configured, your event schedule and booking rules are ready to go. Scroll back up, add your event description, and upload a featured image. Once the feature image is added, hit Publish. Now visit the page as a visitor. You'll see your event information, a live booking calendar showing real-time availability, and a Book Now button. The calendar updates in real time. The moment someone books a spot, the capacity decreases and other visitors see the updated availability instantly. Step 6. Connect payments and test. Now let's make sure your checkout actually takes payments. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, then Payments. Because the WooNinja's Bookings plugin is fully integrated with WooCommerce, it supports every payment gateway WooCommerce supports: Stripe, PayPal, bank transfer, and more. Your event bookings go through the same checkout as any product sale, which keeps everything simple to manage. I recommend starting with Stripe. Install the Stripe for WooCommerce plugin. It's free. Connect your Stripe account and make sure test mode is turned on before going live. Now test the complete booking journey. Go to your event page as a logged out visitor. Select your event date. Next, choose the number of attendees for the booking. Once you've selected the attendee count, enter the required details for each attendee, including their name and email address. You can also add a phone number if needed. After filling in the attendee details, click Book Event and proceed to checkout. Use Stripe's test card number. Then add any future expiry date and any 3-digit CVC. Once the order is placed successfully, your event booking flow is fully tested and ready for customers. Complete the booking. Then check 3 things. 1. Did a confirmation email land in the inbox? 2. Does the booking appear under WooCommerce booking reports? 3. Did the available capacity on your event page decrease? If all 3 check out, you're ready. That's a complete event booking website, built on WordPress, taking payments through WooCommerce, and powered by the WooNinja's Bookings plugin. To recap what you've set up: WordPress as the foundation, WooCommerce handling the checkout and payments, and WooNinja's WooCommerce Bookings managing your event calendar, attendee capacity, real-time availability, and virtual meeting links. The full plugin link is in the description. It includes a lifetime license option, which makes it one of the most cost-effective booking solutions for WordPress. If you want to take this further, set up Google Calendar Sync so bookings appear in your calendar automatically. Add custom attendee fields, or configure cancellation and reschedule rules. Drop a comment below, and I'll cover those in the next video. And that's it! If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching!